Today I'm going to be comparing 3 drawing applications for the iPhone because there's a lot out there, and I found one that I think you don't need any other drawing application once you download it. So I'm just going to compare the 3 that I have. I have iDoodle 2 Lite, which is the free version of iDoodle 2, Scribble, which is also free, and then Etch-a-Sketch, which costs, I think $4.99. So first off, Scribble is the simplest application. It's the first one I downloaded, and it was one of the first drawing applications in the application store for free. So you just choose any one of the 4 colors and draw. It's very responsive, just a simple, very simple drawing application. It does the job well though. Okay, second application, iDoodle 2 Lite. It's got a bunch of neat features. One of the coolest ones is the option to replay a doodle. So I have a doodle that I did like a few minutes ago. Select replay, you can change how fast you want it to replay. Select play. Yep, that's my beautiful doodle. So, done. Sorry, that was Twitter. And in the menu, you can also save your image to the library. Edit the background, so you can change the color of the background. You can replay your doodle, which I already showed you. Go to preferences. The only preference is to autosave when you leave the application. And then user guide. The user guide basically just tells you how to do things. Another one of the cool features is the undo and redo. To undo it, you can just go like that. It's at a bad angle right now, so you can't really, but that's a really cool feature, the undo, and you can even redo it by turning it the other way. You can also change your tools. You have 5 tools. You can change the brush size, the color, the opacity of that color, and that's pretty much it. You can also zoom in on your image. And that is the free version. So iDoodle, the non-free version, I don't know what other features it has. I think that's the one that has the feature to draw on an image and also type. Etch-a-Sketch, you use this sideways. You can change colors, add shapes, undo, zoom, tilt to draw, or go to the menu. So, as you can see, there's these knobs here, just like a real Etch-a-Sketch, and they make sounds. You can use those to draw, or your finger. It's not as responsive as the application Scribble, and it's very pointy when you draw. As you can see, it's hard to make curves without having like points. You can change the colors. I think those are pretty much the same colors as in iDoodle 2 Lite. You can change the brush size and the brush. And you can also type by selecting the A. Done. Click somewhere and you can actually type. For some reason it never shows up for me, so that's an issue. You can also undo moves, zoom in, tilt to draw is pretty cool. So it basically goes where I tilt the iPhone, and that's it. Actually, I forgot to show you one thing. Sorry, I'm doing this upside down. When you go to the menu by clicking the little I button, you can add a frame to your image, or load a different background, draw on a photo from your photo library, open a drawing, save a drawing, send your drawing to a friend, or export it to a photo album. Also, clicking the help button will just like show you how to do things. So, sorry, I forgot to say that. So, the best application is definitely iDoodle 2 Lite, and it's free. So, once you download that, you won't need to download anything else. And I do like Scribble, though, because it's really simple and it's easy to use. Etch-a-Sketch has a few cool features, but I think iDoodle 2 is the best one. So, if you're looking for a good drawing program for the iPhone, iDoodle 2 Lite and Scribble are good because they're both free. My website is now kind of up. The pictures show and everything, but the blog page, like, you cannot see any of my entries, which is really annoying.